Encapsulator RX, the ultimate spill cleanup technology. We're doing a demo using baking soda, battery acid, and a balloon. We are using the acid, which is dangerous, the battery electrolyte. It's an inhalation hazard. Do not breathe the vapors. Wear a respirator to protect your lungs. The battery acid is corrosive, it's dangerous, it's poisonous, can cause burns, and you must not use it inappropriately. The manufacturer says to neutralize with baking soda. Let's take a look at baking soda on battery electrolyte or battery acid. We have some acid in this container. We've taken a surgical glove and put some baking soda in the fingers, and when mixed we have a violent reaction and off-gassing. An explosion. Now we have an explosion risk, an explosion hazard. Remember, do not breathe the vapors. Watch this violent reaction again. Harmful fumes, dangerous chemicals, hazardous chemicals must be used with safety and care. Encapsulator RX, the ultimate spill cleanup technology.